of the main river, and I don't know why so dangerous right overhead. Who is this? The spider. This biggest spider in the world, and two more in the front, and they can drop 20 feet. But don't worry, we're only 10 feet away. If they drop, they will drop right over us. Oh, one more behind you. Oh, here we enter on the Asian temple, Ganesha, the elephant god, which is protected by the king cobra, the mohawks and the snake, and they will strike its its motion. Oh, one more, the other side, and everyone holds still, and I try to sleep back quietly. Oh guys, you all relax. It's not like we're all off danger now. Oh, but there are lots of crocodiles lying on the both sides of the river. These crocodiles love kids very much, especially as some dinosaurs. Oh, it's not like they're waiting for a handout. Oh, so guys, you better put your hands in. Oh, two more. The other side is look like they're really hungry because I can even hear some sound. Really go faster. Oh yeah. Oh, there are lots of gorillas. Oh, what are they doing? Oh, they're very lucky. They're tough and friends. Oh, this one's holding a gun. Oh, watch out! Watch out! How could it be dangerous? They're a gorilla buckling around in the gun. Oh, now that's the lesson. Never invite a bunch of gorilla into your home. Otherwise, they will turn into animals. Well, here is Africa wow. There are zebra, giraffe, and African animals. And you know what's the difference between male zebra and female zebra? The male zebra is white with black stripes, and the female zebra is black with white stripes. Oh, one more. He's the leopard's cat in the jungle. He's white. The most cat animal in the jungle. And now we're entering the pool of dangerous hippo. This 6,000-pound creature can bite people easily. Oh, it's one more. The other side was so bad. Oh my gosh, you're so bright. Then let's go with my boat. Jump out and they see those people. Oh, they're doing it now. Oh, you look so hot. Look at them. So guys, I told you to stay in the different reason. They're little stones are big. Oh, we're entering the place where the headhunter live. Oh, these girls are the silent creature headhunter. Oh, but don't worry, they're never home because they always go hunting, I think. Oh, but they were here. Oh, we better keep quiet. They are letting us. Oh no, they're ready to surround us. Everybody get down. Okay, he's are you still alive? Oh, okay. Oh, but now, don't worry. I have already found a seat. You can see them ahead, and then we just keep going. Nothing is always done, and we can go back to the door by this way. Oh, great, and we can finish our trip. Oh, what happened? It's so dead. Oh, we can't do that. Oh, so nice. Oh no, I have gone the wrong way. Here is the place of the fire going water. We can't be there. We ain't gonna fire go now, so we both are scared. Oh, I can't go for that anymore. We must stay here, but I don't want to stay here. Oh no, it's such a big fire. Is anyone to say, is everyone okay? Oh but no, don't worry. Finally, we can return our safety. Oh, look at this, our baby elephant that we saw earlier. Before we go back, we say goodbye to him. Before we return to the door, can we remind you once again, please remain seated. Sit down, please. Remain seated. Hello, be quiet. Sit down, please. Thank you, and put all your arm, hands, and elbow inside the boat. Otherwise, we are not allowed to return. And this trip is almost come to the end. Okay, let's have a check. Okay, hi guys. The arms are hands and elbow inside the boat. We inside the boat. Otherwise, we look below to return and we may sit. And now, if you have time, you can come and see me again. I'll be here for every 10 minutes for the rest of my life. And now, please give me a 3 more seconds to stop my boat. Then you can leave. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, my boat.